and it's time to start our first project. Let's get coding. There are more introductory things I want to say, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them till later so that we can start coding. Now, I mentioned how programming is a mindset. We need to have an idea in our head. We need to translate it into ideas that the computer understands in a language that understands. Let me show you this first project. Let me show you, there you go. And I'm running the project. Now, the point of this project is not to create a brilliant game that's going to win us awards. There we go. It does say an award-winning game full of adventure and excitement. I hope you get that I'm being ever so slightly not serious there. The point here is to understand how we can build this program, no matter how simple it is. How do we get the computer to do it for us? And in doing so, we're going to learn some of the fundamentals of programming. So, welcome to the Angry Goblin Hunt. We're going to be hunting goblins in this project. What is your name? So I'm going to say Steven. I can write whatever I want, right? But let's put my real name. And then let's say, Steven, can you find the goblin? And look at those lovely graphics there. Those graphics represent kitchen doors, right? The goblins in the kitchen or wherever. You know those cupboard, kitchen cupboard doors with a handle that you pull out? That's what I'm drawing there. Brilliant graphics, as you can see. We'll be drawing them in a bit. Can you guess where the goblin is hiding? I'm going to try cupboard number 3. No, sorry, the goblin is still hiding somewhere. Let me try cupboard number 2. No. 1, 4, yes. I was lucky the 4th time round. It was in the 4th cupboard. Let me run it again. So running from scratch. Let me try 4 again. And you can see this time it's not in 4. Every time I run this game, the goblin is hiding in one of the kitchen cupboards in a random one. So every time I have to figure out where the goblin is. In this case, it was in cupboard number 2. As I said, the point of this project is not to create the most exciting game you have ever seen or played. It's about learning how to get this idea. The idea is, this is the game. So in this case, the problem you're trying to solve, programming is about, you have a problem, I'm defining problem loosely, right? In this case, the problem is, this is the game. These are the rules of the game. How do I get the computer to run this game for me? How do I translate that problem, that task I have, into steps that the computer understands, and then translate them into a language so that we get the computer to do it? That's what we're going to be doing in this program. So the first step is understanding our task. Our task is a simple game, and I've chosen a really simple game for a reason, because we don't want to get distracted by complexities in the game. It's a nice and simple game, so we can focus on the coding we need to do. So let's start coding in the next video.